Ukraine's security service, SBU, confirmed that its Special Forces Unit Alpha conducted successful long-range drone strikes against 5 Russian military air bases in 2025, targeting and destroying 15 aircraft. The campaign caused over $1 billion in estimated damage to Russia's military infrastructure, according to an official statement from the SBU on January 28. The Security Service of Ukraine publicly disclosed the figures, releasing visual evidence of the strikes on January 28, 2026. According to the SBU, the attacks destroyed a total of 15 Russian aircraft, including 11 fixed-wing combat aircraft, Su-30SM, Su-34, Su-27, Su-24, and MiG-31 fighter and bomber platforms, 3 helicopters, Mi-8, Mi-26, and Mi-28 models, 1 transport aircraft, and 26. The SBU also reported secondary damage at the targeted bases, including the destruction of ammunition and fuel storage facilities. The agency did not disclose the exact locations of all 5 air bases, but included video footage of drone strikes confirming the destruction of Russian aircraft. The destroyed aircraft represent a cross-section of Russia's core tactical and operational aviation fleet, covering air superiority, strike, interception, transport, and rotary wing support roles.